Welcome to our exploration of Calluna Heather, a remarkable and often underappreciated plant. Did you know that heather has an intriguing history and a range of practical uses? Let's dive in and learn more. Before we get started, here's an interesting fact about Calluna Heather. It's one of the few plants that can grow in the acidic, nutrient-poor soils common in moorlands and heathlands. This remarkable adaptability allows it to thrive in environments where many other plants struggle. Calluna Heather, scientifically known as Calluna vulgaris, is native to Europe and parts of Asia. It has a long history of use dating back to ancient times. In Scotland, for example, heather has cultural significance and is often associated with the Highlands. It's even used in traditional Scottish whiskey making. This low-growing evergreen shrub is characterized by its fine, needle-like leaves and tiny bell-shaped flowers that bloom in late summer. Heather comes in a range of colors, from deep purples and pinks to whites. The vibrant colors and delicate appearance make it a favorite in floral arrangements. If you're considering growing Calluna heather, it's essential to mimic its native habitat. Heather thrives in well-drained, acidic soils, and it prefers full sun. It's a fantastic choice for rock garden slopes and areas with poor soil quality. Heather's low growing habit and attractive flowers make it an excellent companion plant in your garden. It pairs beautifully with other acid-loving plants like rhododendrons, azaleas, and blueberries. Aside from its ornamental value, Calluna heather has practical uses. Historically, it was used for thatching roofs and bedding for livestock. Its flowers also provide nectar for bees, making it a valuable plant for pollinators. Additionally, heather honey is a sought-after delicacy with a unique flavor profile. And Calluna heather is a plant with deep cultural roots, remarkable adaptability, and a range of uses. Whether you're drawn to its ornamental beauty, want to create a pollinator-friendly garden, or simply appreciate its historical significance, heather has something to offer. Stay tuned for more intriguing plant profiles on our channel. Happy gardening and exploring!